Topic DNA. DNA double helix model given by Watson and Crick using X-ray diffraction technique worked on bDNA. According to this model, as you see in the diagram, both strands are antiparallel and complementary to each other. Both strands are joined by hydrogen bond. Between A and T, 2 and between G and C, 3 hydrogen bonds are present. This hydrogen bond provides additional stability to DNA. Backbone of DNA double helix is made up of sugar and phosphate and nitrogen bases project inside. Pitch of DNA helix 34 angstrom or 3.4 nanometer. 1 ton of DNA helix contains 10 nucleotide base pair. Distance between adjacent nucleotide 3.4 angstrom or 0.34 nanometer. Diameter of bDNA 20 angstrom. Chargaff rule given by Irving Chargaff and applicable to only double-stranded DNA. According to this rule, percentage of purine equal to percentage of pyrimidine, percentage of adenine equal to percentage of thymine, percentage of guanine equal to percentage of cytosine. Equimolar concentration of sugar and phosphate is taken, and for a given species, ratio of A plus T upon G plus C equal to constant. Central dogma given by F.H.C. Crick. According to this, formation of protein from DNA is unidirectional. Now the exception of central dogma is known as taminism. Taminism is shown by HIV and Rauch sarcoma virus. In taminism, formation of DNA occur from RNA by the process reverse transcription and enzyme reverse transcriptase or RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. Condition to fulfill for being a genetic material. First, it should be able to replicate. Second, it should be chemically and structurally more stable. Third, slow rate mutation. Fourth, it should able to express itself in the form of Mendelian character. Experiment which proves that DNA is genetic material. First, Griffith experiment. Experimental material Streptococcus pneumoniae or Diplococcus pneumoniae. Griffith taken R second and S third strain in his experiment. Second, Hershey Chase experiment is the unequivocal proof that DNA is genetic material came from the experiment of Hershey and Chase. Experimental material bacteriophage, virus which infect bacteria. Radioactive isotope P32 and S35 used. Infection, blending and centrifugation steps involved in Hershey-Chase experiment. Now DNA replication. DNA replication is semi-conservative, semi-discontinuous. Experiment which proves that DNA replication is semi-conservative. First, Michelson-Stoughal experiment. Michelson-Stoughal experiment proves that DNA replication is semi-conservative. Experimental material E. coli. Heavy and light isotopes of nitrogen are used. These heavy and light isotopes of nitrogen are separated by cesium chloride density gradient centrifugation. Eukaryotic semi-conservative DNA replication proved by Taylor in Vicia faba using radioactive thymidine. Mechanism of DNA replication. DNA replication occurs in S phase of cell cycle with help of enzyme DNA-dependent DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase works on 5' to 3' direction. As you see in the diagram, in one strand DNA synthesis occurs continuous known as leading strand and another strand DNA synthesis occurs discontinuous known as lagging strand. In lagging strand, DNA patches are formed known as Okazaki fragment. These fragments are joined by DNA ligase. Transcription is the formation of RNA from DNA with help of RNA polymerase or DNA-dependent RNA polymerase enzyme. In prokaryotes, different types of RNA, rRNA, mRNA, tRNA are formed by single RNA polymerase, while in eukaryotes, as you see in the diagram, different types of RNA are formed by different RNA polymerase. Like RNA polymerase first forms rRNA, RNA polymerase second forms mRNA, hnRNA, RNA polymerase third forms snRNA, tRNA, 5srRNA. Transcriptional unit is made up of three parts: promoter, structural and terminator region. Strand of DNA which forms RNA is known as template strand and its opposite strand is known as coding strand. Promoter region is located upstream of structural gene at 5' end of coding strand and terminator region is located downstream of structural gene at 3' end of coding strand. कुछ क्वेश्चन डीएनए से आरएनए फॉर्मेशन पर बेस्ड होते हैं कि जैसा आप इस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में देख पा रहे हैं कि टेम्पलेट डीएनए इज गिवन। अब इससे आपको आरएनए फॉर्मेशन करना है तो सिंपल सा तरकीब होता है ए को टी से, बट टी नहीं होता तो ए की जगह यू, जी को सी से, सी को जी से, And in the second question, if the coding strand of DNA is given, अब अगर आरएनए पूछा जाए तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना, जिस तरह से दिया हुआ है बस सिंपली उस कोडिंग स्टैंड में टी को हटा के यू कर देना है. Prokaryotic transcription. As you see in the diagram, prokaryotic transcription simple basic 3-step: initiation, elongation, termination. Sigma factor acts as initiating factor and rho factor acts as terminator factor. Eukaryotic transcription involves some modification like splicing, capping and telling. hnRNA is made up of exon plus intron. Exon plus intron are called split gene. Splicing is the removal of intron from hnRNA. Splicing is favored by snRNP. snRNP along with intron form spliosome. These spliosome are removed and remaining hnRNA are jointed by RNA ligase. Capping. Addition of 7-methyl-guanosine triphosphate at 5' end of hnRNA. Telling. Addition of 200 to 300 molecule of adenylic acid at 3' end of hnRNA. Sequence of 3 nucleotide bases present on mRNA forms genetic codon. 61 codon codes for amino acid. Feature of genetic codon: degeneracy or redundancy. Single amino acid is coded by more than one codon. Methionine and tryptophan don't follow degeneracy rule. Methionine by AUG and tryptophan by UGG. Now you can see in this chart, amino acid coded by 3 codon isoleucine. Amino acid coded by 4 codon alanine, glycine, proline, valine, threonine. Amino acid coded by 6 codon arginine, serine, leucine. Second, genetic codon is unambiguous. One codon specifies for only one amino acid. Third, genetic codon is commaless. Fourth, genetic codon is universal. From bacteria to human, U codes for phenylalanine. AUG acts as initiator codon, codes for methionine, but in prokaryote it codes for formulated methionine. GUG rarely acts as initiator codon. Out of 64 codon, 3 codon acts as terminator or stop codon, and its name are UAA, UAG, UGA. Structure of tRNA. tRNA or soluble RNA. 3D structure of tRNA given by Kim looks like inverted L. tRNA consists of amino acid receptor end at 3' end where CCAOH group is present. Amino acid binds to tRNA with help of amino acyl tRNA synthetase enzyme during translation. In tRNA, 3 nucleotide bases complementary to codon are known as anticodon. जैसा कि सेकंड डायग्राम पे आप देख पा रहे हो कि tRNA का एंटीकोडॉन AUG है, तो मेडिकल में क्वेश्चन पुटअप हो सकता है कि tRNA which bears AUG anticodons carry which amino acid? Correct answer is tyrosine. Operon model given by Jacob and Monod. In lac operon, lac refers to lactose sugar. Lac operon is an example of inducible operon. Lac operon consists of regulatory gene and 3 structural gene. Regulatory gene is made up of regulator, promoter and operator region. I gene present in regulator forms repressor protein. In absence of lactose, repressor protein binds to operator region. In presence of lactose, repressor protein binds to lactose and forms lactose repressor complex, and repressor protein unable to bind to operator region. Now RNA polymerase binds to promoter region and transcribe structural gene. The product of structural gene: Z gene beta galactosidase, Y gene permease, A gene transacetylase. Length of DNA double helix is calculated by number of base pair into distance between consecutive base pair. In eukaryotes, DNA packaging is a complex process. It is facilitated with help of histone protein. Histone protein are positively charged, rich in lysine and arginine amino acid. Histone protein are of 5 types: H1, H2A, H2B, H3, H4. One nucleosome consists of 200 base pair. H1 histone acts as linker histone. Human Genome Project was a mega project launched in 1990 and completed in 2003. HGP were coordinated by US Department of Energy and National Institute of Health. Silent feature of human genome. Every gene consists of 3000 bases. Largest known human gene is dystrophin. Maximum number of genes are present in chromosome first 2968 and fewest number of genes chromosome Y 231. The technique of DNA fingerprinting given by Alex Jeffrey. DNA fingerprinting is also called DNA profiling. Alex Jeffrey used satellite DNA as a probe that shows very high degree of polymorphism. It was called as VNTR, variable number tandem repeat. Basis of DNA fingerprinting is RFLP, restriction fragment length polymorphism. Steps of DNA fingerprinting: isolation of DNA, cutting of DNA by restriction endonuclease, separation of DNA according to size by gel electrophoresis. Fourth, transfer of separated DNA fragment in nitrocellulose via southern blotting. Fifth, hybridization using labeled VNTR probe. And sixth, radiography.